video starts. Hey, that's my grandpa. And yes, here's my grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa.
No, not that.
Hi, Zoe. Hi, everybody.
Bye, Zoe. And yeah, they're coming. Just kidding.
We'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
You be a good girl.
I will.
Yeah, she did all of her homework the other night without throwing a fit.
Wow, good girl. That's how you do it.
Yep.
Bye-bye, sweetie.
And my but I am really happy to see them. I was at my grandpa's a huge time. And yes, my sister's out of there. Okay. Can I still do capture when we get home?
I guess.
Yay! Well, you were capture making, and I want to tell you about Katie's mama. I know Sunny back there. And Katie's mama is my favorite show. If you don't know that show, just spell Katie's mama. And it has the cool things. If you know that channel, I've been making photos up. You did it, it's okay. I just go, it's okay. And this is good news and bad news. Okay, I'm gonna do the bad news today. The bad news is, I was pushing my chair because I dropped my little button. And for him a chair because he was to me playing and he needed to go to the office to get an ice pack because it really hurts. You know, my dad's back there, right there, right behind you. But it's really funny. And yes, I am grown up and I can make more videos. Dun, dun, dun. Sorry.
Okay, save it.
So guys, my dad needs to stop it right now. I'll be back in a minute. Bye.